If I didn't make first cycle. I'm actually gay. Not.
You could say it. Go on, say it.
Oh, there's deers on Twitch now.
Are you
I'm predicting,
fucking serious?
The word retard is gonna be banned. Oh, chat, watch this. Watch this, chat. This is actually insane. Fuck. Yes.
Wait. What?
Oh my god.
How did you learn that?
Insane.
When did you learn that?
That was like years ago, dude. You gotta get better at strats.
Wait, that was sick.
Oh yeah, can you finish Wind Waker? You literally
Listen, man,
stalling playing.
I know you're trying to ask me a billion questions because you're a big fan, but dude, your time's almost up. Time for me to whip your ass in BLJs.
Shut up, dude.
Time for me to whip
You
your
know
ass
you
in
lost
BLJs. Time for me to whip your ass in LBLJs, Long Beach Lindens, and then call it a day because you're out of the fucking Discord, bitch. I'm at the fucking
Chillin' Oz literally doesn't watch you anymore because you didn't